Okay, let's do it, man. Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. People share parts ganje. Don't have to ay mashile. Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. People share parts ganje. Mashile. It's 2026. Sibuyile sesikanje once again kuyanyiwa kulonyaka ngathi angikutshelanga man. Hey asanazi, but anyway siyabonga ukuthi nifike niphephile in 2026 and ready. While we're back namachita emachiteni the Ins Podcast ungathi angikutshelanga ngihambi ngedwa as always ngiphethe ama-out namhlanje babuyile ba-fresh ba-right banuka uDecember. That is Mahasho. Hey manje
Awe andile ngobo Ace Mahashule Shulex Mese North bafethu siyanibingelela siyanomkela bafethu after a long time, after a very long break here Christmas no New Year. Sibuyile siyabonga kakhulu. We are grateful, we are excited to be back, and we are ready to continue the conversation from where we left off. Obviously useshile nje amthasami sodwa khona ama-out azoyichaza ukuthi ahleli kanjani ngama-position now. Showcase.
Compliments of the season. We're back in the building. Jack Kalala is the name. First of his name, second to none. King to the wise, wise to the king. Say tata, manje.
Thank you, Jared. Happy to the Jared. Hey. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, emajiteni ntwana kasathosh kwenzakaleni isazi saseNorth kwenzakaleni izithini bafethu new year new you. Sikanje uThedi kanzama, also known as uThedi Kwekopi
Nobontis.
Danko.
Welcome to the Ins Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Kamukanyiso Nqume, your co-host. Take machiteni unesatha ama-out. Sikanje new year new me. Tak awusalithela uGrind noMelethu bethu. Showcase take machiteni.
shout out to Brian, man. They're in the building, and also we have a guest, Dr. Ntabi Singh, ukhona. But yeah, for sure, ngisazombona uzoshayisana kanjani la. Ngiyangashayisi. Danke machiteni. Well, we just want to say thank you guys, man, for the love, man. And we've been experiencing a lot of love, especially for the community, Ins Podcast out there, whatever. Masimbona, Mkakweni, Mamos, Gupi, and then you guys have been saying you love what we're doing, and it's the support, man, and the love, and especially those who have subscribed to the Ins Podcast. And we also want to say continue subscribing and liking and commenting in our platforms and all social media platforms as well. And also we are pleading with you guys, do share and make sure that others know about the Ins Podcast. So we want to grow this community, and we want to make sure that at least this year, man, we hit 1 million, man. For me, I ngachabla kulmanza thola ama subscriber 1 million for sure. Lapho ngavele sinivithize ngo 2 episodes every week. Orgaji.
Oh wow, it's
Orgaji.
shut it down.
Sure.
That's it.
Namanye ama subscribe.
It's all 2 episodes.
Of course, lapha Instagram versus Corona. Instagram is it's the Ins Podcast. On TikTok it's the Ins Podcast. We're not yet on Facebook, so ngalapho ningaqale nijahe kakhulu, but iphutha lesi nalapho siyasondela ngekudala yabo. Also njengoba Desation Shepherd on YouTube, subscribe. It's the Ins Podcast nakhona. The Ins Podcast. So sisemajiteni bakhona olova la.
Thank siyabonga. So nje please ntshela noma beni ba subscribe the whole family. Wonke umuntu uyanidinga la. Phakathi. Anyway, we just want to say thank you once again. So we have more for you guys, man, and ngizokuthola isikhathi sihamba but for now sisemachiteni, and we're just going to recap nama-out ukuthi how was your December, bewunjani December wakho Mahashule.
Bro, it's nothing much.
What did you get up to, dog?
Nothing. I was just going around in Indao. But then my biggest highlights is okay, I did go home. And also I think on Christmas I ngihamba ngawubona i-Outham khona i-Outham nje mfethu ade ayigcina yabo angifunda nayo I use i-Outham but best friend in high school yabo so mhlambe bese sine disconnection mhlambe ka 3 years. Yeah, one of the guys mfethu I think yena Mesha I played a huge role in his life because I encouraged him to go study in university when he wasn't willing to. He wasn't even thinking of going to study. So he graduated, he bought a car, built a house. So yeah, he just called me and he said, bro, can you please come? I want to spend this Christmas with you. So I went, spent the Christmas with him and his family. Yeah, so that was it. And then I came back also. Mina benganayo le nto sizivalile if I got something ngifuna ngisebenze yona I took it. So yeah, I didn't have that privilege to say I know ngivalile mfethu hey December mawuvalile imali yavaleka ngoJanuary. So isimayibuya mfethu bezukhala sebebaningi yabo so bengizama ukavoid nayo yonke lo nto yabo. Yeah, but otherwise yeah, bewilokho nothing much.
Yeah.
There's nothing much really.
Oh no, that's good. Them out here.
Awu Jack abafuna ukusixoxa ukuthi benginjani eCape Town manje. Hawu.
Jack kade simbona posted as
Sibonile ukugibela ama helicopter manje awusafuna ukuxoxela uyazi.
No, but
Where's that
Mjakatulo. Beshaya impilo kabukabi. Shaya sinye isitayela sokugcina ngci.
Hey, we scam, no? What's the meaning I could do?
Washaya mhlawumbe 2 days endladlini.
I know December was easy.
Yeah, man.
It was chilled. I think I took like a break from I think mid-November, just to prepare for the festive. Spent it with family. I think this is like my first year really spending Christmas with my own family, you know, being a married man.
Shout out to Michelle.
Yeah, so yeah, the plan was actually to go to, what's that place called? Sun City, at Josie. But when I looked at the weather forecast, it was raining the whole week. So then just last minute, we decided, no, let's do Cape Town. Got to Cape Town. It was very chilled. The weather was good. And then I was like, I want to do some white people things. So did the highlight was jet skiing, did paragliding, helicopter rides, all that nice stuff. It was really good, very refreshing. And now we've entered the year with a new mindset. I would say the highlights, though, for me is the consistency in spring cleaning in December. Like every December, I clean. Starting from the time I was young, I'll look for things I've stopped wearing since June and I'll give it away. I'll clean. I want to know what's in every cupboard, every box. I unpack, I reorganize, I throw things away. And I think that really helps me enter into January with that fresh mind. So I'd say that was the highlight, seeing that I'm still consistent with that habit of taking out what is not needed when entering into the new year. Danko.
I'm ngisekhofini mafethu. Ngisekhofini ngishaya ikhofi uyawaya niyazi. Ayikho into ethini. Siyasebenza thina ngesikhathi se-festive. Hospitality njalo ke mafethu.
Beyothetha abafuna ukukhuluma indaba zabo kwi-podcast. Amboshe phansi. Cha meke kodwa esicine.
Benje izwingi lapha kumina ngizoshaya ikhofi elikhuluma.
Kokulana zashaya.
Asathi it's fine.
Sikhuluma ngekhofi lani. Uyoshaya izingu khona ikhofi. Sikhuluma December, ubunjani December wakho.
December bese
Bese hlazenywa thina la uDecember wona.
December wakho naye. Kodwa kamhlanje usethi
Manje lositshela indaba ukuthi
thina masigase esiqoqo ngizoba ngathi thina.
Thandinda.
Umbuzo uthi ubunjani uDecember wami ngithi mina
Kodwa uzovele uyithethe.
ngizoba ngathi mina ngimi lokhulu.
Soyithethe lo mbuzo.
Hayi keep ngifahlazele yodwa bese uthi uthethi. Ngifahlazele.
Ngingafuni kuyifahlaza into.
Hayi bo ngila futhi hayi uvuthi awuthethe bese. Ngamkhipha uthethi wakutshela. Ezesilahla khumbula.
Dank.
Ezesilahla lo.
Hip hop bro.
Ezesilahla.
Owesijika na.
Manjaya, zishaya.
Uyakhumbula yini ezesilahla esihamba sizobathathu?
Oh, la nombolo la.
Ngalandwa phi mina bafowethu ungilandwe phi?
Kodwa ke lo nkaji is fine.
No, not true.
Asidayisi bro. Na kungakhali. Lapha.
Awukangidalela uShulex ivar.
Ivari.
Awukangidalela wena ivar.
Kanjani?
Fethu, Shulex ake apha. Sikangidalela wena ivar.
Kanjani
Ngiyangidela
ungakaze?
ngazi ngiyazela wena ivar wena wesidela.
Njengoba ingakaze. Njengoba ingakaze.
Singahlolile bese.
Kanjani man?
Was encourage wathi I know. Sure, bese sefune sisigqokile sesiswekile sefune siphume.
Lapho mfethu. We're looking forward to. Hey,
Ngangisekhulazi.
asihambi ayijabuleni lapha la siyapha. Hey,
Ngangisekhulazi.
No, bafethi ulalela okanye uyabuka lapha emakhaya wazi ukuthi ama-out akhuluma ngani. Ama-out ahambile ayogruva ngoDisemba angishiya. So manje bayigqobhoza
Nango.
ngangingekho mina bafethe ngangivele ngomqala esipani kwakunyiwa same time kwakubhenda. Yeah, so for me James December ubugrand lo I decided to do something different because into engangiyenza before, but I decided to do something different. I decided to host ama family photo shoot experience studio yabo prior to Christmas. Kale ngoNovember abanye babhuka early November, late November, early December. Yeah, so yonke ngibhizi ngabe ngishuthela imindeni mfethu studio, imindeni emihle ehlukahlukene. It was a nice beautiful experience yabo. Ngahamba ngayo baqalaza edladleni nezihlobo ngilibele ngivashela ngensuku engafani. Ayangigrovanga ke kulo December into ehlangane nami nesicubu sabantu akangizami.
nombolo yokushoot up with some families, dog. Like your experience when you see these families. If it's some out at going day fana. No, mambahle ala welo.
Cha phela yahle ubright naye uyiphatha leyo mpahla. Mama usukhuluma ngayo.
Manje Shepherd bakhuluma benganayo. Lo ngangibethe uMekethi, sayisetha apha noMekethi la setup sayishana.
Like I'm a cheater, like husband, dog.
Yeah.
Behave kanjani bese?
Yazi, so yabo indlela emnandi ngayo le mpahla Shepherd. So it was beautiful to see because ubuka imindeni mhlambe ena 10 years together and then bese ubona imindeni ena 2, eminye imindeni ena 1 and then bese ubone ama out ayimisele kulento yomshado.
Umndeni na 1.
Ubona
imindeni na 1.
Yeah, like uthola ukuthi
njengojack.
Hawu, kayasho kodwa. Ujeff
kade family khona phela kwabesuka lo mshado.
uJeff
Niye ukukhuluma indaba za Jeff podcast sikhuluma indaba zelento lazi. Yeah. So you see that and then you see the family structure, but into ebaluleke kakhulu imindeni eminingi uyijaja ngeingane zakhona more than ama time.
kanjani bro?
You can see how the kids behave, yabo. Makhona ama strangers and then yona into kwazi ukukhombisa ukuthi bafundeni ekhaya, not more than ukuthi bafundisweni. Yeah, because ingane yenza into eyifunde ekhaya. Umzali uyayifundisa izinto ingane but ingane bese yenze yona lento efundile, yabo. But most of them they're very behaving like leyampathi kushana uhaleli kuba nomndeni. Then muso abuka ama out kulento ukuthi bagqokisa impahla ezifanayo nan imikhulunywa ku social media kanye umuntu ongaphandle ungayi-understand. It looks ngathi ukuthi into negative, yabo. But omunye uthola ukuthi ngizobhukwa ifro, yabo. I-out izofika na i-10s, yabo. Ifika nale nto uthi hayi into ey'ngane le nomndeni, yabo lento engenzela ifro ney'ngane. But the more shooter, hey, the more itamali enjoys it ukushutha more nani, because it becomes about family. As much as it's such a store throw, you can see the actual value ye family. So wakwasana uba happy if it's done right. However, if it's not done right, if it's ngeke uziforce, ama out ahlezi awkward phambi camera, and kuba worse if throw mizothatha i-out espacini mhlambe throw engasijwayele uyomenzisa into engayijwayele phambi kwabantu. Yabo, because na i-out isuke mhlambe incane ukuthi izohlambalazeka ukuthi awusaqoka amapijama manje zikhiphana yabo, but mase bebona izithombe sebebona sekumnandi sebebona nezingane ezijabulile, naye umuntu uyaqala ajabule. Yabo, ukuthi ibukeka kanjani kumuntu ongaphandle, it's always different because basuke benga experience. Yeah, I only blind, and I will always encourage ukuthi abantu bahambe nje bayosha ama family experiences, not just to shoot. Uma out nje, once you decide to create umndeni wakho, give yourself a chance ukuthi hambe experience izinto nomndeni. Ungabi namahloni ukuthi abantu bathini. But phela mhlamba I'm sure yenziwa ngendlela control the different ukuthi unga sengiqedile.
Uthinta enye impahla ebalekile lapha ukuthi ingane mfethu ila uyibona khona ukuthi edladlini lapho in terms of behavior. So isikhathi esiningi kuba ukuthi abazali that will do experiences nemindeni yabo ingoba vele lento baqala ukuyinecha edladlini, bayazi noma siphume ngaphandle makuthiwa hey hayi lapha uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu yabo. But if mfethu uvele umuntu ongekho angifuni ukuthi invested emndeni, but umuntu obusy ongekho present isikhathi esiningi, so leyo nto mase nifuna uku-explore izinto awusazi nokuthi khuzwa kanjani mase uzawujwayela bese yajumpa bazoyi-cross abantu abaningi for those reasons. Sangithi yabo
Hayi jumpa kabuhlungu ngoba laphana Teddy ukuthi ingane mhlambe below like mhlambe ina less than 10 years, like go 5-4 ingane encane, uhlezi wena as umzali uma uyicontroller uyikhuza ukuthi ingenza izinto ezirong, yabo, but awukazi uyi-encourage ukuthi ayenze into right. But manje ke ngoba usufika phambi kwecamera usufuna ukuphosisa ingane wena ngenkani, ayiyakuveza ke ingane ukuthi ayilalela ayikho, awukazi wangenzisa into wena. Manje waye uzongitshela ukuthi ngismile nonke nomndeni nizothi angismile, anikaze ninginikeze le attention ekhaya, ingane la ibukisa khona ke vele ufuna ukudlala ke lapho. So but it's always ukuthi nami ke fortunately ngikwazile ukuthi kube izinto engikhawuleza ngianalyze, so bathi mabefika abazali ngithi i-trick yokuqala uyena ubalekile lo, ngoba uma engakhala yonke lento esenza la useless. So kumele kube ukuthi nimnikeze ispace sokuthi afile i-environment, uma ekhalela ukudlala adlale, uma ekhalela ukwenzana ayenze. Sizombamba simphosise kuma-moment ambalwa, but uma efuna ukudlala mdedeleni uzoyibuyela yena. So ezinye ingane zenzana uma uyibeka phambi kwecamera iba tense, uthola ukuthi iyafijitha enye okanye uthola ukuthi enye izifune nokukhala, ithi abayidedele bashuthe bodwa. Mabeshutha bodwa seyibona ingane ukuthi abanginakanga, kube yimayibuye isizobadlalisa isifuna attention. But mabeyinikeza ila vele ubona uthi no ngiyabukisa ke la, yabo, because it's not all about ukuyikhuza phela masoyenze photo shoot. Sekumele ismile, sekumele ihleke, sekumele yenziwe into ongakazi uyi-encourage ukuthi ayiyenze, because wena uhlezi uyikhuza only mayenza into wrong. Kunjalo
uthini mkhosha
Mina
contact ufuna umbuza
no bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi imindeni le yade ishutha yonke are they married all of them?
yeah bonke.
They all married.
Let me double check. As
Oh.
much as inga-inquire shanga i-status, but ububona ngazo ukuthi it's either ba-engage abanye okanye but into ibonayo ukuthi into solid. Yeah.
wathinteka pram
Hlobo luni?
ukuthi bakho nawe mhlawumbe kungenzeka
Hani kuzokwenzeka. Sinakade ngangibhila this year usenifake ekhoneni hawu udise ngangiqale nini? Yini okwayibona nje ngathi this year konke ngenzeka. Wena ke njengobra wami ubonile. Njengobra mkhona la kwangisola khona ukuthi hayi siyathungisa manje.
what I can Bobo ithole Monday
Bashiwe pha.
Yabo nje mfethu.
Atholunwele.
Ayithi sithi ama-host, yeah, ama-guest nje le. So.
Kaze le
Oh, Angel.
yeah.
Yasifuna.
December.
Hey, phela ngizibonile
Shezi ngadoso.
nje.
Omaqala uDecember.
Bawashe nini
Bawashe namhlanje?
Within what day?
Bawashe namhlanje? Izolo.
Namhlanje.
Bawashe namhlanje.
Awayifakile.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Xolisa.
My reasoning for asking that question is because ngizindlela debe ngayo kanye ukuthi if sometimes that's why you understand the family ukuthi i-connection yabo ingakanani yabo, especially for me ingane. But also I'm just thinking nje ukuthi, but why would you commit to someone and not fully commit when it comes to doing things as a family? You understand? And around a special moment like that, because when you say festive season, you're speaking about it's a family time. Everyone knows it's family time. I get with as a match that we have that awkwardness. So it's we don't sometimes we do these things or we don't wanna be too emotional when it comes to this thing or something soft, yabo. But also if you look at it, bro, like why would you even commit to someone, have kids and all of these things if you're not willing to experience it fully? So you're just having kids for the sake of having them, for the sake of saying nengan. But then when it's time for you, because memories, that's when you build memories as a family. Yeah, well, the whole year, for the most parts of the year, maybe like for like 10 months, you're busy working. You hardly get time on weekends because you have all these other things. The only one time that matters, yabo, mhlawumbe ingane they go to boarding schools or zifunda kude or now mhlawumbe usebenza kude, mhlawumbe for example, and then the only time that matters, you wanna feel awkward for abantu abahlanganiswa wena. It doesn't really make sense for me because if you say I'm getting married, I'm committing to a lifetime relationship because it means you will know zenihlukane phela, yabo. So December time should be special for you. It should be a time where you say less friends because I've seen my friends all this other time of the year. This is now where I should understand how it's like to build those special moments for my family because everyone is here, everyone is back. If they say let's go out and take pictures, go out and take pictures with your family. Hang them on your wall or have like frames up by the side of your bed, yabo. Have frames on TV stand. That's what it means, yabo. Ukhisimusi mfethu mangabe senihlele etafuleni ungazikhombisi senihlele etafuleni ni shooting ngo December long table, doesn't matter if akwazi ukuyenza ibe memorable. So now we don't care, dog. You can post all you want. I don't care who's getting and to be honest, I don't really care. Yeah, well, but most people they wanna do it for the internet, the Instagrams, TikToks, everything for them to trend. But there's no love inside. Imagine uhlele etafuleni all shoots. I mean, ushuthele etafuleni ungakazi uhlale kulona because when you feel like it's awkward. But labantu bahlanganiswa wena. So for me, it doesn't really make sense. I'm not saying labantu tibesho nganye so it's wrong. No, but I'm just saying. For moments like those, anganye sawa creative. Bro, mina ngicabanga ukuthi wenze into
Dr. Love.
Yeah. Ehlanganisa abantu abaningi because mina I had an opportunity ngifika on some of the shoots so ngibonile bro, like you sometimes you even wish you had your own
Because
little
abanye
kids.
fethu bazoya kuleya shoot fethu. Yabo ukhona ukutwista.
Yeah.
Masukufika lapha na okay
Shit,
spice ke le nombolo. Because ubrawa ngevele na ku coach lapha uyayishada lembolo. Yabona omunye ethole sesondela ngempela sothi kade bagcinela ukushaya leyo kahla kodwa sebe sondele yabo sikhona leya I create leya almost we urazi. After he shoots zidume le. Yabo siprawe sibeyiqhawe.
Mhlambe sekukhandane nganye S4.
Kodwa usele sozoze nalapha entweni ukuthi ayise shout out to Tiso. Zenzi. Kabanzi.
So ngayithatha kancane ngami it's a huge thing. It's a very huge thing.
Kodwa khona impahla ethintile shulethu bethe complicated kancane yabo.
Yeah,
Yapahla ukuthi abantu abakwazi ukuqhamuka sebeze act camereni bengayipracticeanga unyaka wonke. Because le yampahla ukuthi kuya-understandeka ama-out amaningi abhizi aphanta ekunamajita abhizi fethi aserious.
I know, I get
in
it.
such a way yokuthi abakwazi into ene-romance phakathi okanye into enokuzi-enjoyisa nomndeni abakwazi okanye nama-emotions ahlangane nomndeni abakwazi ukuzi-involve kuyona kakhulu because babhizi ispan
Yeah.
yabo. As a result mhlawumbe umunye nje uyayishaya ucansi ne-fro kube ukuthi ekuphelile lapho but kodwa into ene-affectionate nani phakathi abanaso isikhathi sami umuntu uhlezi ku-get up and go, get up and go, get up and go. So manje wena uma usufuna ukuzoyi-acta ngoDisemba iyaqala iyashamba kanti we should encourage ama-out ukuthi makuqala unyaka kanje iba nalezi zinto lezi nalama-space ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa ubhizi kanjani fonela ufro ney'ngane yabo builda lo ma-relationship lawo futhi nakhona not ubafonela in a pretense manner yokuthi hawu uya-check-a nje ukuthi banjani try to establish i-relationship ne-fro yakho ney'ngane zakho noma kuthiwa ubhizi kangakanani yabo so that at least there's a foundation uyaba-understanda uyazi there's something uyaziyo ngabo
Yeah.
hawu ukuthi uhalele ukuzo-actisa ngathi unomndeni operfect sekudisemba sekukhisimusi
No, awukho nje not perfect.
Sometimes law ama-outs lawo first like nakho understand about because
akuya-understandeka
Yeah, we get it,
abanye
yeah.
bethu they come from families where you're told out kumele uphante jo phantela umndeni wakho.
My chat la when a shepherd is you have 10 months to do that.
Yeah.
We had like 10 months. Awangifuna ukuthi 11 because for me December is family time. January is when you also have to show up for your kids. Yabo? Singayijwayele lento ukuthi siya encourage or siya understand ukuthi I know khona ama duties awe fro ukuthi fro for me we not think stationary nani. January is still also family time because that's when you now so understanding and efuna ibuyele esikoleni. Let me help out. Funeka siyothenga amabhuku, funeka so find out ukuthi esikoleni kufunakalani. Funeka sewenza ukuthi angenziwa ifro kuphela. Now is out be involved. Yabo? Khona nengane uzokwazi ukubuild i-connection nayo. Mayinenkinga esikoleni uzokwazi ukuthemba because uyikhombisile leyo initiative from beginning.
Yeah.
Yabo? Siyaphuma sifunakalani school uniform. Othi ngokubhekile icathulo ihamba nihambe nonke as a family. Ungathanga ngoba naso sekushaya umhla 7-10. I know so isikhathi sokuthi ngibuyele emsebenzini mina I'm done. Do that before. Yabo?
Yeah.
By the time uyingane ibuyele esikoleni uyazi ukuthi iphelele. Mekukhona kulahlayo then ifro will fill in.
Sure.
Yabo izohamba uyofuna whatever ifunakalayo mhlawumbe ulahle ijezi mhlawumbe ulahle icathulo isokisi elilodwa bebuye bahambe ngeenyawo ke lapha esikoleni yabo so uhambe lezo zinto kanjalo. It's very important for you to understand your own family.
Sure.
Yabo we understand we get it bro you have February all to yourself. We have March until October bro.
Yeah.
So when I 2nd 3rd of January when usuja ukuhamba
Uyaphi lapho?
uyaphi bro.
I know but I wanna get a thought across, ne? Yeah, ngifuna ukuyikhipha kahle in my head. But this is what I'm thinking. You know, there's this tendency for men to assume that because I'm making money or because I'm working really hard, it justifies not paying attention to my relationship with my wife.
Yeah.
No matter how much money you make, it does not substitute the reason for why you got married. You didn't get married to give her a soft life. You got married so you could share life together.
Yeah.
You got married to someone that will become your partner. There is no amount of money that substitutes the importance and the significance of building a relationship with your partner. And I think there's almost an acceptance from men to say, just because you're working so hard, you make sure that the rent is paid, you buy food, you shouldn't have to talk to her or hear her problems about what show she's watching on TV. There's almost this acceptance, Uguti. As long as I'm providing and I'm protecting, what more does she want from me? That's the bare minimum, Chief. You're doing the bare minimum and you're boasting about it. It's like you go to school and you say, I passed maths and English, but you're failing every other subject. And I want you to really think about that deeply. And if you're a wife and you're hearing this, send it to your husband. Thank you.
When I send to your husband. Udlala la. Ushisa ibhomu uqala ke manje ngiyaku-check.
Hey, but otherwise mutoka ikhona nje bethi izitori ezimnandi zakhisibusi.
Kesimuzu.
Yeah.
Hayi. Mashid.
Bashi.
Anginazo mina. Bekubheda nje.
Oh.
Oh. Yazi vele usibuza umbuzo na uphendula ngawo.
Yeah.
Wenzani mafisa?
There is ngwap. Just a news ngwap.
Angicabanga mfowethu. Angicabanga mfowethu. Ngeke weekend eyo.
every weekend.
Siyangcobe bethu.
Ngwabe. No check no bengcobo ngana. Isamba vese ububheda. Abantu beshona abantu bethu. Azi nje vese ibhlungu lana. No serious like guys, you know it's really sad that like Lord December's we're gonna we lost so many young people, bro. With potential and we peel of it, we're doing isn't they great, So hayi bengemnandi nje.
Yazi even some of my clients are postponing ama-shootout because of imingcwabo emakhaya.
Yeah. Ibiningi dog, even nangasekhaya,
Umuntu
bro.
apostpone
Elokishini.
i-dates athi hayi ngishonele cela sishintshe i-date.
Yeah.
But le mpahla mfethu awunyaka wonke mfethu nyaka nonyaka.
Mhlawumbe
Ukuze
vele
mhlampe
i-highlights ubishaya kabuhlungu
safe-
like I said.
Yeah, yabo. But there's festive ne-festive mfethu izinto zakhona lezi.
Yeah.
Yashona ukuthi this son uzwela kakhulu because it was very close to us.
Sure.
Angithi yabo, and abantu abakwi-circle yethu, that's why manje yabo
On that note, how do you deal with
izwakala kakhulu.
How do you deal with grief?
Amasimba la mpahla.
5 stages. Deny. and deny. It's not real.
Mina kune status engingasibhala ku Instagram. Nathi yabona uma uthandaza.
Mm.
Awukuthandazele iwisdom yokubuza imibuzo right kuNkulunkulu. Ngoba kuyenzeka uyifice kuma situations kanti lo situation uzoyi approach wrong ngoba uyibuza umbuzo wrong. Ulibele uthi why me? Okanye uthi why kwenzeke kusibani? Okanye why mina ngihlukumezeka? Why mina izinto zami uzibhede? Why yabo? If kanti une wisdom yokubuza imibuzo eright ejulile, yabo? Kuba ngcono uzi approach kangcono ezinye izinto because you then understand with everything emhlabeni I connected. Then uze ube nenhlanhla ukuthi ungafoli victim to izangoma. Nalabantu abavuka kusasa bethi bayathwasa. Uthi utwenze uhlelo into encane wena uhamba uthi hayi lento esasikhuluma ngayo
Bangisebenza.
uthi abakusebenza awuhambe kuyokwenza imisebenzi abathi yenzeke labantu wena unyaka wonke ubhizi uhlabana nenkomo nezimbuzi ngoba kuthiwe umakhelwane ngoba ngeke bayikhombe kude bazoyikhomba la eduze. So izinto enjalo ukuthi I just wish people could ask themselves not even themselves mabekhuleka nje bakhulekela ukuthi uNkulunkulu abapha amandla ukuthi babuze imibuzo engcono so that mezenzeka izinto babe neunderstanding. Yibona nje kuphela.
How do you deal with grief, bro?
I haven't dealt with it in a long time. I haven't lost anyone in a long time.
Mm.
Yeah, so I
Nama,
wouldn't know, really.
you've lost a relationship.
A relationship?
Yeah.
Which one?
Which one?
About head.
Hayi. I-relationship phela kona umjolo.
Work
No, I
I-relationship
know, but-
ukuzwana nabantu.
work relationship.
And then you lose into kanjalo automatically you get into a grieving stage.
No, I didn't lose.
He did not.
But, yes, even if noma ungayiframe kanjani but you got detached ne it was choice or by anyhow but then kuba khona moment egrief.
I get what you're trying to say. I
Yes.
get it, but okay, let me not deny it. But I'll just say this. I was thinking about it this week, actually, this weekend. Well, and I even spoke to a friend of mine, a very close friend of mine, about. I wouldn't say lose, but again, it's saying you lose, but. You know, I made an example. You know, when you see soccer players, they play for a team, for maybe say one of the teams for a long time.
Yeah.
And you invest your emotion, you invest everything into that thing, and then the day they have to retire, or maybe they sign to a new club, or maybe they have to step away from that thing. It's not easy. You understand? Because you're thinking about the planning. You think about the future that you guys planned. You think about every memory that was good or bad. You understand? So moving away from it is the reason why most people cry. But if you are afforded an opportunity like that to be vulnerable and show that side, which ish fuck, I think I lost. You know, something that I believed in the longest time, and that attachment also. I thought about this this past weekend. It's like it's painful, but at the same time, it's like it's eye opening.
Mm.
Like there's more to life than
Were you vulnerable to yourself
no.
at that time, Mama?
No. I was just reflecting.
Okay.
Because I feel like I had moved on. You know, I mean, I stepped away. I think 3 months back.
Mm.
Yeah. So
No regrets.
Hmm?
No regrets whatsoever.
no. I don't have any
No, I think
regrets.
it's just JB cars. It's just that thing. It's just you get haunted by
Yeah.
the plans and the beautiful memories that you had and moments.
Yeah.
So some of those experiences you sometimes wish you could have
Yes.
in the future, but our senzig. And it's that's why I then get me na loss because even when someone dies, it feels like that because lo muntu akashonanga nje ningayipenelanga ikusasa, even if ni-agreele noma ni-agreeanga, even noma ubuwedwa uyahlala uplan ukuthi yazi linye ilanga ubani ngizomenzela ukuthi okanye ngizokwenza ukuthi
Yeah.
naye.
Yeah.
Next thing
Oh. Go on.
akusenzeki.
Yeah, because there's emotions you grow love for that thing,
Yeah.
a deep one. You understand? You don't imagine yourself one day living without it.
Exactly.
You understand? So it's like that. So I agree with you on that part. At the same time, for me, bro, I don't think like every day I'd wake up and just find the reason why I should do something else. Yeah, well, not to say I had mhlampe doubts ukuthi mhlampe it'll still function. I've never imagined myself. You know, there's this other time where I read something and then they said, there's someone who said, never ever imagine how something would be without you, because chances are it'll never fail. You don't wake up every day in the morning for something to fail one day.
Yeah.
So when you work towards something and you plan and you invest your love for it, you invest your emotions, you invest everything, you don't say one day I wish this thing could end. You understand? So I played my parts. It was very great. I have to look forward for something else because life is about that, but we're growing.
Yeah.
We are all destined for different things. My part was maybe for that 10 years. I played my part. It was a success. I wouldn't say we failed, you know, but also right now I'm here. We're building something else. You understand? So moving away from it, yes, it was difficult, but I don't regret it. Yeah. It was like,
You should check.
I know. I was gonna say you just sound hurt, but ain't.
no, I'm not. I'm not.
Oh, Jeff.
I think when I check, that's why I said sometimes when you are afforded an opportunity to be vulnerable about it, that's when you cry. You
Have you
understand?
been vulnerable about it?
I'll ask him the same question.
No,
He said,
You have not been vulnerable.
no,
Why?
because I don't think I lost a relationship.
What you
Didn't lose it.
Jack Suzoba psychologist manja. No.
No, I know.
Just sharing my experiences. But Jack, Ukmuzo uthi, how do you deal with grief? How do you deal with grief?
Oh,
when
see, I was thinking,
Yeah.
ikinga siweza faka amagama enza kube sad, oh grief. So what man, so it gets to you.
wena
Sizile wena unkanisa ubuzokhala la. Uzokhala la sizile. Just now the same now.
I wasn't, no.
Ngimbonile bezobreaka kancane.
I wasn't, no.
Kodwa
trust me,
nawe
trust
check.
uzofuna ukudlulisa isithishu man.
No.
Wait.
No, I genuinely don't. I think I just remember in a moment where
What is
it's a fresh.
what is a free spray?
Yeah?
Safe space. Go ahead.
What's your
Yes, I get it. So
It's a 360 moment.
nah.
what is the same thing?
What's your name?
Lapho behleli khona actually leyo.
I think when imagine that's a bad deal you miss love.
Shulex ungabaniki baba.
I'm happy where I am. Like,
All
I'm very
right.
happy.
Tell yourself that.
I'm happy.
All right. No, how we deal with grief, how I deal with grief. I think it depends on who I lose. I never really believed that you could feel grief for losing an enemy. But even someone that you did not like can send you into a dark place. I think the reason I fall into grief more is just the realization that I have no power or no control. That death can come at any moment. Doesn't care about your ambition, your drive, your plans. It's one of those things that it's like you park your car in your yard every day until one day they break in. Then you stop feeling safe. That's what death reminds me of. Ugiti, I'm just playing happy. The reality is I'm not safe. There's no gate that's big enough. There's no gun that's good enough. And I have a debt to pay. And that debt is going to cost me my life. That one day I'm going to have to pay with my life. And I think that for me is grief. It's that reminder that there is an end to life. That this is not a video game. There's no 10 off, 10 on. There's no repeats. There's no, when it's time, it's time. So the best way I deal with that is I live a meaningful life. I like to go to bed saying that if this was my last day, what a hell of a day.
So how do you then accept a loss of someone close to you?
I remind myself that I'm also going to go.
Okay.
It's that simple for me, Wuti. Even let me look at breakup. Breakup is more interesting
Yeah.
because usazombona lo muntu. You know, it's not like death. Death is dark.
Yeah.
But breakup is it's one of those things that I never experienced it young until I was really old. And then I had my heart broken by friends. Like the first thing was, I'm gonna show them. And then I was like, why am I living for them? And I'm like, I don't care to show them. Then I'm like, I want them to see me succeed. So I don't know if you can see on my stages.
Yeah.
First, I don't want to see them. Then I want to see them so they can see me. You see, it's that thing of you still going through that process of healing. You understanding that you're a social being. So that's for me is a tricky one. And you sort of deal with it by understanding that you can't live for the pain. You can't live for the betrayal. You can't look at the sunk cost. You can't say, oh, we built something beautiful or we had great plans. You need to really look at where you are now and then what is needed for my life, irrespective of the heartbreak, and then you take it from there. That's how I deal with it.
Yeah.
Hey, le ama plan. Ozachila mraso.
Mina first. Ukuvuma and accept isimo.
Yeah.
And ngoba yonke into vethi ine-expiry date yabo. Njengoba sikhona la one day survive. Ukuthi asazi nini. So the minute kwenzeka fethu and the sooner you accept and stop asking the whys. Kungekho umuntu ozokuphendula kubona. The toughest part about this whole thing, it's your family members. Wena ungakhona ukuthi udile nayo ngendlela odila ngayo wena ese. Njengoba ngisho mina ngiya-accepta bese ngizama uku-understand ukuthi akasekho. Angithi yabo? And then ngiphile ekuthenini nekuse kusasa ngazi ngayimini. But abomndeni, your siblings, not everyone feel yabo indlela eyodwa. And abanye mfethu lokho khona ukwenza wena bona bakhona ukuthi bakwenze ukuthi ba-accept basala nemibuzo. Akumina mfethu, I lost my sister. It's not easy, but ngivumile, acceptile. And my older sister said one thing komunye umndeni embuza ukuthi unjani yabo after we lost our last boy. Bathi sekuphele zona. Meaning inyembezi nobuhlungu sengathi manje into esijwayele. Angithi yabo, it's not a good thing, but ke use-acceptile. Angithi yabo ukuthi kwenzekile and le yenzeke kuyena isangenzeka noma ubani. Yabo, so the minute and the sooner si-accepta lokho, le unkanyisa ade khuluma ngayo, so and lapha singayitholi nathi kulezo zimo lezo zokuthi manje sesiqalaza or sesithatha izinto ey'show abantu ukuthi ekuse mboche ngenze ukuthi hamba kunjani unjani. Angithi yabo, because uzo end up ulahlekelwe umqondo, ubhizi uzama ukufikisa uthola into ongayazi ukuthi yini. Yabo, akekho umuntu onamandla ukudlula uNkulunkulu. Angithi yabo, so noma wena shepherd ungenzani uzama ukuthatha impilo yami, awukwazi dog.
Sure.
Kodwa if uNkulunkulu evumile sekuyisikhathi sami, kuyenzeka lokho. Ukuthi wena ubhizi ngani, it's okay wena ungafile ngathi wena wenze lokho, but akukho ezandleni zakho zokumdala. Angithi yabo, bese kuzoba khona omunye mfethu ozohluleka mfethu ukuthi ayithathe leyo, ozoba nento a-escapela kuyona
Sure.
ukuyiziba. Angithi yabo, yona-ke mfethu la iphinde ibe nzima khona, because manje sekumele ube khona for that person, because manje masingasekho lento okuyiyona abalekela kuyona, yila khona zimshaya ngempela. And masimshaya kwa wena ikubuyisele emumva phela manje. Angithi yabo, yileyo nje part mfethu okuyiyona namanje ngisastrugglisha ngayo. Yabo, ukuthi how then ngiba khona for my family members, ngenze sure ukuthi nabo ba-grand.
So nika uDr Ntab lapha ke sizosiqomba. Ani mic.
Uzothini ngo-detector? Ufuna ngithini awu shefa? Shefa duthini manje?
So much.
I think for me, yeah. Thanks for the question. I think the point that has been made now by Uted, you have to accept. I think that's as a beteta is that if I accept into yoba you've lost this person as close as they are, or as whether they are far close, but if it's someone near to you, you will feel pain. I think the thing about grief is that it's like it's such a painful thing into your heart that is inexplainable. There's an emotional trauma that comes with grief. So a lot of the time people go mad or they derail because they don't want to feel that pain, that trauma. And so you try to numb yourself with different things. So I think for me, I deal with grief by accepting the situation. I also deal with grief by, I believe more comfort. So I pray a lot about these things. If I'm feeling pain, I ask the Lord to comfort me because I don't know how to heal my heart. Yeah, well, so I think I really have a multifaceted ways to accept is to ask the Lord to help me through the emotional trauma or the pain. But I think the third aspect is to not to dwell on it. You have to try to build now beyond. So if it's a sibling, if it's a parent, if it's a friend, the pain is still there. But I think that person would have wanted you to live. That person would have wanted you to go beyond just thinking of them the whole time. They know that une purpose and you have a life to live. So I think I try to move forward knowing that I keep the good memories of that person and I try and dwell on those, the things that I did with them. And I think what is important about grief, it reminds us that we don't have infinite time with people. So treat people well when they are here. You can't connect with them when they're dead. They are gone. You can't do anything for them when they are dead. It's too late. So I think grief reminds us that there is a time span to everyone's life. So that's why it's important every day, try to resolve things with people. Don't have unresolved issues. Don't leave it to tomorrow because tomorrow they're not around. So I think for me, it also reminds and cautions me that you yourself don't have forever. I don't know how many days I've been given. If tomorrow I'm not here, have I done with my life what I need to? So I think grief reminds us all that our life is short. And I think that we need to use the time we have wisely. That's for me how I deal with grief.
Siyabonga.
Avethu mina njengoba nihlukumeza la ekhaya ngoba uma washona. Mina umuntu oshona la usisi wakhe. Ingakho mina ngidakwa kanje usisi wami eshele. Hayi uzoveza kahle.
Alright, personally.
No, hambe emalokishini. You see the reality of how people deal with these things and they internalize them. Bazenze kube ngazuthi izinto ezabo. And then they escape. Batholi umuntu agroove. Life is too short, asambe groove. They find all different excuses. But okay, good luck to them because it's their coping mechanism. Yabo?
But are we encouraging that though? Because I'm just thinking, because I'm
But
imagining them
Shulex,
saying,
abantu baseklabhini ingane encane manje. Zithi let's party, life is too short.
You only live
Life,
once.
you only live once. They go with that mentality.
yeah,
But that's the truth reality. Do you get what I'm saying?
yeah.
This is what happens. Yeah.
Actually, very, we should live our best time now because we don't know.
responsibly.
Yes,
Lalela
but you don't know if,
Lalela,
but
this
because
is where I want
we
to
don't
go.
know if tomorrow I'll wake up or not. You get it?
Kuya la ngiyakhona,
Yeah.
Shlex, ne? Look at someone like Ujek. Ujek lost his friend, best friend,
Yeah.
who's more like a brother. Yabo? They are very close. They have ambitions. They have big goals. They want to achieve serious things in life. And baphila impilo serious.
Yes.
Bayasonta, ba responsible, benza yonke into ongathi ayenza to set yourself up for a better future. And then umngane wakho ashona. How do you then say, indeed, then there is a better future if umngane wakho is as young as they are by experience and in a manner that's not easily justifiable or understandable? Because ukushona komuntu noma ushone kanjani aku-understandeki, but kukhona lokho kokuthi Shulex akagulanga nento eyibonayo ukuthi hayibo.
Ukuvulwa lwavuka nje.
Yabo? So those are the things that we experience ezenza abantu bacabanga ukuthi ku-justifiable ukuthi baphile impilo thizeni because. Hence now we are having this conversation ukuthi it's very good for you ukuthi u-accept bese uqhubeke uphila impilo because nelakho ilanga liyeza. Ilakho lingakufica ku-70 ku-90. Lingakufica so young, but don't take life into your own hands now uphile reckless ngoba naku life is too short. No. Isikhathi sokuthi uzobizwa nini wena awusazi. Don't play God on your life. Phila ngendlela irresponsible, uqhubeke uenjoy impilo, uqhubeke uaspire, but do you get that?
Yeah, I get it. But I was just asking Leah personally. I know, mina, ekhaya vele ngashona lo baba. That's why, mina, I'm asking that part. Uthi, I'm just thinking, Jay. Uthi, what's the best way? Mhlambe ukutshela umuntu osekhaya ukuthi, bro, like it's not like God sashonela na it's but asikazo sizivuyise it's ekhaya mina ngashona lo baba mina uma vele ngakho ngangifuni ngakho mengifika la ukudla seniqediwe what because they make those excuses.
Yes.
They do make those kind of excuses.
Ingadeki futhi. You see, it's this thing of assuming ukuthi somehow when are you better than them.
Sharp.
Yeah, but this thing is it's very sensitive to people. You know, the image of their mom could have been everything for them. It could have been their reason for them to be alive. You know, I can't say I lost my dad when I was quite young, and I remember it clearly. Like, and if it was my mom, I can't say I would be here today if I had lost her at that age. There's no guarantee that my ability to want to continue to live would have been still the same. Because one of the reasons I said I have to live was because my mom was there. I said, okay, I've lost my dad. Fine. I have my mom to live for. And I did everything that I said I want to do for my mom. So to see that kid that's saying, I'm in the club because I lost my mom or I lost my dad, it's easy to stand outside of their situation and to speak. We're not trying to sympathize only with them, but it's a state of mind that requires first sympathy and love. We have to see it for what it is, that it's a very difficult place to be, that the escape is that extreme, because what they're doing there is they're avoiding confronting that reality and taking ownership of their life. So they rather just let time go. Because I can give us an easy example that maybe yours could not be going to the club, but you could waste your life scrolling on Instagram. And you know you don't want to scroll on Instagram, but you just can't stop yourself. And you scroll, you wake up in the morning, you say, I'm going to wake up and pray, you scroll. And you're gripped by something as simple as just procrastination and laziness. Now imagine being gripped by grief of losing the idol of your life. And it sends you into dark places. So if you're someone who is in that place and you're listening to this, I want to assure you that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And we're not smiling and laughing about this matter because we don't understand how deep it is. But sometimes it's also how we cope with it. Because it's a very dark thing to think about. Someone has lost their parents and now they're losing their life. They're just aging, but they're not growing. So we really hope that wherever you are, if you're listening to this, find help. Find yourself and rebuild yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Mjakatu.
I think uJack ubeke kahle ngale ndlela because uma ngicabanga ngemisho nje kulula futhi but because i-platform yethu sikhuluma nabantu abakanjalo yabo who are at home and want to do something, but then uzothi because it's not only laba azothi mina ngisebenzisa substance or mina I'm depressed because of what. People have many reasons not to do something. They have so many reasons yabo. Some of them are those abazothi mina my things are not happening because I lost my mom. I can't move forward in life because at a very young age, I don't know my mom passed away when I was very young. So angikwazi ukuthi ngibe positive in life when I know ukuthi abanye abantu ama siblings mhlawumbe oyingane engikhule nazo around they have their own parents and bayaba support, you understand? So it's easy for us to see Jack. It's easy for us to sit here and say, I know zobeze bekhaya bethi I know mina ngaluza umzali nani, but it's for them it's too much to deal with, yabo. It's too much. So khona umuntu njengoba sesixoxa nje on other episodes, I know umunye udila ne-substance uyaphuza kakhulu or usebenzisa kakhulu ama-drugs nani, so ufuna ukuphuma khona ezokwazi ukwenza izinto. It's not only those people abangakwazi ukumove forward in life. There's other ones ababanje yilo ukuthi mina ngimazi uma. So ithemba lakhe libambelele lapho ukuthi ngidinga that motherly love, yabo, ukuze ngizokwazi into zami ukuthi ziye phambili. So that's why I asked that thing, Jack. Ngiyabonga mjami.
Thank you, Julex. Tona Satosh, when udila kanjani ne-grief? Sitakela la sibuza umbuzo bese across.
Hey, into enzima le. Yabo. We're wired different as people. Some of us we come from families where they avoid into ey'fana nalezi. Noma ukhuliswa umama ongakhali. Nawe awuziboni isidingo zokukhala. Because even when things were tough, you never saw your mother crying. There was only one time where I saw my mother crying. One time. And nakhona abona umuntu akhale ebethi but yambona ukuthi but akafuni ukukuveza, So now when you've been raised by a single parent all your life, I was born isidingo zokukhala, because she molded that ukuthi hayi la igrief la ekhaya nje sithi so phinde siyibona semashini la bazokukhala asikho isikhathi sokukhala, yabo. So it has been one of the things that I've struggled with kakhulu, all my life. I mean, I've lost so many people and so many relationships too that I value and I cherish. But I've managed to, when I started going on therapy, that's where la waqala khona and I'm faith ukuthi say, dog, wena uyilezi ezigciba izinto mos, So I've been dealing with the grief kanjalo, for so long, But it always hit home every time when I see somebody ekade ngimazi or whether mhlawumbe ngimaziyo, maybe close or not close, or bengimbona eshona. I have so many questions all the time. I ask myself and I ask God. And sometimes kube nzima, And then there was one time when I was asking God one time, which one is somebody, they're very close to me. And then the answer that I got was like, no, you're asking the wrong question. So then I started thinking to myself, I would see, maybe miningi imibuzo engiyibuza engingayibuzi kahle wrong. So I need to learn how to ask questions now, you know. So and from there, and I started asking imibuzo, you know, ngendlela engconywana, you know. But other than that, when it comes to grieving, you guys have said it, you know. To remind with Melis Peel and Fitz, and then make sure that we, because later I'm having if it's scam kakhulu yabo. Because you can plan and do all these things. It's good to plan. It's good to do everything. But when everything just switch up, Chief, you get stuck, you know. And some people get stuck, Chief, you know, from learn bahlale for years and they don't come back, you know, because abakwazanga ukucopa mfethu or athola indlela yokudila anything bafethu emhlabeni oyiluzayo yabo uma ungakwazi ukudila nayo mfethu yazi uyakwazi ukupaka mfethu backstage for years upaka ungasahamba yabo sikudlule thina siphile nawe la kanti usamile wena estopini, you know, and ume chief, you know, ume estopini ume futhi uzuhlale ne-wheelchair uzubeka itafula itayiza la estopini ingeke into eyenzakala yini lapho while siphila nawe sihleka nawe kumnandi but wena usastuck laphana because you didn't deal with that thing, you know. So a lot of us come from such families, you know, and then we end up sikhula and then thothi umuntu usastuck lapha ku 16 years aluza khona uma wakho ubaba wakhe and then now go 40 but he hasn't dealt with that 16-year-old person or I lose ubaba wakhe at that time, you know. Now in fact I was one of those when I lost my dad very early. And I was stuck, bro, for years kulesa sikhathi because angiyibuzi lo mshito abethi angavela ngishiya kanjalo. Awona khona ushiya nje bese umoshe kakhulu yabo. So now you it becomes harder for you to move on and deal with life, you know. So that has been mina indlela engidila ngayo ne-grief ukuthi I try my best to leave, you know. I tell myself with dog phila chief, you know, and make sure that you live a purposeful life, you know. More than anything, bro, living on purpose is one thing. When I get to that, I live for, you know. So I'm this is purpose for me, you know.
Yeah.
So every day I try my best to align myself with the purpose. That's why you never find me in places or in things that are not on purpose. So I avoid things into that are not on my purpose. So yeah, I deal with that, you know, living a purposeful life that have a meaning and making sure that I leave a mark, chief, you know, because ukuhlala kwethu la kuncane mawuthi simazivele simashe nje gcine nje ukuthi sasifile sihleli kwi-podcast and then that's it, you know. So I try to live a purposeful life and then touch as many people as I can, you know. There's nothing as beautiful as seeing someone hlangana naye ungakwazi ungamazi atshela ukuthi bro, you've changed my life. That thing is crazy, chief. You know, omunye azakhala indoda endala, you know, ihamba nomfazi wakhe ikhalele, bro, you don't know what you've done, you know. That is one thing. Noma ngisengilele ebusuku ngicabanga ufa ngithi chief, asiphushe ntwana, you know, you're on the right track, you know, because uyafikela futhi izinto eziningi even if when you're going through your most now, but that one person othe bro, you've changed my life, uyena ovela kwenza I fall off angayenza le mathi, you know what I mean. So I think that is what keeps me going every day, more than like Tandimali and making money, that's good, but seeing people's life being changed, bro, by the way I live my life and what I say and how I do things, that's priceless for me, you know. So I feel like every time when somebody passes away, especially oseduze wami, ngihlezi mfethu mina ezongigqugquzela ukuthi ntwana baningi abantu abadinga ukuthi bakuzwe ukuze baphile impilo ezi-purposeful. So asipush, you know. So that's what drives me more than anything. And yeah, while we're that, new year, new me.
Ishathi izikhale zonke.
Before sidlule lapho. I was about to say, this is just an interesting thought, ne? Who here is ready to die?
I'm scared of death. That's why.
I used to. I used to be very scared of dying. I used to, because I remember I had one close calls, yabo? And the things that used to haunt me then, they no longer haunt me. Angisayibuzi imibuzo ephedayo yokuthi uma uzosala nobani kuzokwenzakalani hayi. Yabona uma uyiphilile ivare and uzama ukuphila ivare yakho. Khohlwa. Bangafika nje bathi siyagoduka manje uthi. Yeah. Bangafika manje bathi hayi. Yeah.
I had the same question ukuthi how do you plan for it? Abaningi bethu siyakusaba ukuthi mina I'm that type of person. Iba ne life insurance. What if you die? It's hey, I'm still young. Ngizofa nini? And that to say you're living responsibility with someone else now. So
Adibalekile yona le life
how do you
insurance
plan
iba
for
nayo,
it?
chief.
Life insurance yona phela iba
Ngeke, chief.
ne-funeral
Iba nayo,
plan.
chief, ngeke.
Bangahluphekisa abantu.
Nina leyo nisithole sanzima mase nishonile.
And futhi
Iba nayo nje, chief.
into eyinkinga ukuthi ukufa fethu akuyona into ekumele uyisaba ukwazi ukuthi manje awusakwazi ngisho nokukhuluma ngayo no. Yabo, if that thing, if there's one thing that you need to understand, immediately you were born, faith, you were born with the shadow of death. There was a possibility to you can die at any moment.
Not just a possibility, a guarantee.
A guarantee ukuthi at any second. So when if ucabanga ukuthi uzophila and uzozama ungakucabangi ngokufa and uma ungakucabanga uzushona, good luck.
Let me give you some good news. Yeah? Kids who are 1 year old, they die. 6 months by half. 12 years old die. 20 die. 15 die. Nothing is going to stop you from dying. Now, the reason I'm asking that question is because I did a thought experiment a while back, and maybe it can help you now. You know?
Usho mina lapho.
I know. Ngikhuluma nje in general.
Because imile kusaba.
Now and some.
Andinakuze mina Brown. Ngisabi. And ngeke ngithi futhi ukuthi ngiready for
Also, okay, mina ngikusaba ukufa, but ngisaba indlela engizofa ngayo. Yeah, kuba.
Uyashintsha kushule usemovie goalpost kushule.
Yeah, ngisaba indlela engizofa.
ukwenzeka uzokwenzeka. So there is no reason.
Uzama ukuzenza uNkulunkulu.
There is no reason for me ukuthi ngikusabe
Yeah.
and ngibe ready for it.
Ubona ungibone mawungena kwi-car accident mase uyasinda because there is no way you could have predicted that shit.
Exactly.
There is no way you could have. That's when you realize ukuthi there's nothing you can do.
And I've been in
so
a car
leave.
accident.
Yes.
Ibuya la.
So yabo muphuma khona ila ubona khona ukuthi fethu there's nothing I could have done to prevent this shit
Bro.
and there's nothing I could have done to see it. So I've survived sharp. Shoot noma sekufika kuyofika ngendlela engingayazi siyaphila.
Yes. Okay, ingakho ngisho njalo.
2017.
Yes.
I was driving a car, chief.
Yeah.
Okay, check.
Yes. 2017.
Yeah, it's fine.
Suye Starbucks, chief.
Sure.
Siye eBhalito. Hamba neyintwana la siya trade na intwana. Le ntwana ihlala eMbilo. Yes. Ngithi kuyona I know. Khona ama document engiwalanda umshito wasedlale ngithi bra wami ngiphelezele. Yabo ngizolanda ama cause lethi ngeke ngihlale lapha mase ngiyabuya ngiyadrop yabo. Athi hayi inkingi. December kunetha nje kancane. Suye Starbucks la. Shaya imoto. Mina no driver uhleli la umshana. Masithi lapha ngaso. Moya eBhalito. Khona yabo ibridge le, khona ibridge le la. Akhohle ukuthi yini igama lele ndawo but on your way to Bhalito kune bridge but ikhona uhamba ngala emvula dog lapha ngase bridge ngimojiya kanje ama super routes wamande race chief lapho siyimashela nje grand lentwana sinama plan na lentwana le brawa collusion imoto zashayisana nje yashona same time lentwana ngaphuma ngalimala nje la mina ngane crash gub ngaphuma uthi kanjani I don't even today I don't know ashona intwana.
I think
Understand?
I think it's almost a similar situation.
Every time angivula kulandela chief. Vele nje kube nama flashback.
I think that's why ngithi check I was okay. I think iseshe ngaphendula qala angikusabi ukufa because I know it's a currency sizofa sonke yabo.
Yeah.
But by me saying ngisabi indlela engizofa ngayo is because ngaba kwi car accident yabo. And there's a time where I fainted. And and ilo math thought engiba nawo ukuthi fine ngisho kuthiwa sengiyafa ongcono ngilale ngithule yayizwa lonto then ukuthi ngizwe ipain because I've seen abantu abaseduze kwami bezwa leyo pain yabo angiyazi kangakanani angena umuntu okwazi ukubambelela ukubamba ipain especially mangabe kuyinto ebonakalayo physical yabo ukuthi ngiphukile o into kanjalo yabo angena umuntu okwazi ukuyihandle into kanjalo so ngesikhathi ngiba sengozini yemoto bro njengo Shepherd sasihambela phuma koSpana kufanele amajita endlini ngawathi bafethu isendleleni ngiphatheni yabo ngena kwi-Uber njami ya driver 7 uzubona ukuthi ukufa kuyacuba dog ama robots ayivuliwe yabo etown ukuthi mekuvele robots ngavula leli phambi kwakho azovula wonke alandelana so mesiqhamuke ekhoneni le robots lizivulele efuna swell yabo but la amanye avalile bese ngithi kusho mina ngisho drive ngize njami yo it's fine livuliwe leli but awuthuka mancane asilindele khona mayise selivala lizophinde livule kanye wonke yabo ethi njama okay sime kulona robots livulile sime uyabo silinde ukufa kwami shuthi mase ngicabanga la sime robots lizivulele robots bese siyawalinda caution abe red bese yavula umgaga livule naleli silishayile kuqala green silishayile sibili green sishaya sihamba ngo70 ngisefonini manje khuluma nami ingane yasekhaya
inombolo yakho
ayatshela
nokhuleka inombolo
Ngeke Shepherd.
siyaxoxa bo phendula ama message ade ngesipana ngithi so maningi ama message phendula ama message
Jule
Exactly.
nokhuleka aqhubeka
no ngisila Emana mfethu you guys are taking away from the thing ngisho
So nani
come on
wesakhiwo
and lento serious ngikhuluma ngiphendula ama message ngempela ngibuya eSpanish so awubona ama message bemaningi uthathu ungaciphiza ifoni so I'm responding yabo so nabantu basekhaya yabo then message sidlulele isithathu bro angikhumbuli fuck all ngangibheke nje phansi kanje se ngezwa lo mjitela yo driver ethi shit ngithi ngibusa ikhanda yesila
Iphi lena vuka
Mr Price phansi cabanga angikhumbuli nothing
Mr Presley West Street
yeah so aeroportini lapho sihamba kwilane eka right using right lane uya driver 70 lo mjita shutho ubegijima badakiwe mhlambe ba 7 emotweni
sure
I think bagijima down behla ngo streets bangase workshop yabo ekhoneni nje ngikhuluma la mjita wavela wathi shit kanti meeting ngivuse ekhanda ngikhumbula ama lights ayisela kwathi bo kwacisha yonke into ngazwa lapho ngibone lapho ngizwa kuthiwa abantu kuflasha yonke into ngangibona yonke into fast yabo next thing watholakala thi hayi
Jesu mashile
hayi just ngala Jackson yes mengithi yavela ngivele ngekhanda ku windscreen yabo windscreen yangemini ngivele ngekhanda kuyona angazi ngifike nini
bafesa kakhulumu angathi
ngivele ngekhanda le sengivele kanje ngiyophuma ngeboots kumnyama ngizwe abantu bekhuluma bo security yo bala yabo suthi abantu abazoganga next thing let's get papa my bus podcast is lo Mr Price sister isifuna so ingakho ngithi ngisaba indlela engizoshona ngayo because I didn't expect ukuthi mhlambe
that experience
yes yabo
yeah man
Hayi costi ukuthi akumele uyicabange leyo kayiyekele ku-creator. I-creative kakhulu kushayela enye magic.
But
Yazi
also-
lokuhamba endleleni ubuka amasondo bemoto ngawa-understand ukuthi lo mjidi
Ibiyaphi
idwebe kanjani lento ibiyaphi ya ucreative uNkulunkulu
but that
kuleyo
experience
mpahla ka ucreative uya isini nje uyakudwebena into ngeke uthi uyayicabanga ukuthi ha hey ngisho nomthakatha ngibona ukuthi angathakatha le mpahla ne
then in that experience mase ucabanga abantu abashone kunengane yangifunda naye esikoleni bro she was driving back home ngayifunda lento ephepheni yabo angazi ukuthi yona ingane yangifunda sengizwa ngasekhaya mangifika she was driving back home thenga imoto yo celebrate nabantu bakubo mefika nesikhathi ama floods umgaqo akasajwayele ukuhamba kona ugugulwe ikhukhula kune space uyihlabile imoto
ungena emanzini
no ubhodlokile umgaqo phakathi ezini njoba kuyibridge kanje so ubhodlokile la nala akho lutho la uyishayile sebusuku
uyayishaya yena imoto
uyocelebrate ujaha ufike ekhaya ngathi ngingakhona ngalapho wayishaya mfethu wathi mefika lapho ngathi boo uyangena phakathi la thula same time
wayeqhamuka egoli I think wayeqhamuka
Yes,
egoli
uphuma
wayevakashila ethi hayi ngiyabonisa imoto edlaleni ngiyabona
Phela usuke
nemthwalo yonke
usuke egoli
uphuma egoli esefikile ekhaya so you think of those experiences yabo nale yami ukuthi if kunomshana nami ngangihlezi ngimfundisa I think I shared the story before ngangimfundisa ukuthi every time ngimisa esikoleni ungahambi emgaqweni yabo
yeah
and then this one time it was Easter holidays that's why ngangancanya ama Easter it was Easter holidays ehamba ne-olet lakhe beme opposite umgaqo befuna ukwela so wavela uqhamuka imoto nje wavela wangena imoto nomshawa thula same time remember lo muntu ngimfundisa isikhathi side ukuthi every time ngihamba emgaqweni ngiyambeka la ungahambi emgaqweni akhanje emgaqweni yazo yeah every time wayibamba iroutine I don't know what happened that day ngangingekho ngezwa sengifonela ukuthi wayefethu mshana wakho akasekho ngithi mina kanjani so ushayise imoto so into angitraumatize leyo type that's why till today mina abantu bangihlala bayazi ngiyayisaba imoto man sabe sho driver saba nje
Woza check.
no kuba la
Uzile umbuzo kubeka lapha kuloko kuzathi uthi uzochaza khona.
Yeah, no, I think it's some of the thoughts I have are rough, ne?
yeah
Because I'm not an expert on death.
Yeah.
I can only do it once. Yabona? That's why I can't be a life coach. I'm only doing this once.
nje usinika ama-advice amangaka
But I'm not a life coach. It's my first time in Pila and I'm a face. We told her the qualification will be life coach.
kodwa isaphile kayiwa
Ufunda ngempilo. Hayi. Siyababongela ama life coach. All right. So this is how I conceptualize life in general. Firstly, the reason we really fear death, and I think even with the people who say I'm not afraid of death, I'm just afraid of how I die. Nah, deep down they don't want to die. They're afraid of it because we don't understand it. No one really does. What happens after death? Like, I just found myself existing. Maybe when you were 7, for some people 6, consciousness became something that you were aware of. Maybe for some later, but you started understanding that I'm a being. I'm a sentient being. I have actions, consequences, and so forth. So the way I conceptualize life in general is I don't overestimate my ability. Like, I am not responsible for so many things. Like, if you really understand what that means, that you're not responsible for many things. Like, you're only responsible for the things that are within your control. That's why I say I don't allow the things I can't control to have control over me. Do you know what I can't control? Death. I can't control the time of it. I can't control the day of it. I can minimize my chances from dying erroneously, and I will do that because that's a wise action. But beyond that, it is on God. And you see, if you let go of that illusion of grip, I can do something about that. That's the first layer of freedom that you get. The second layer is you need something beyond death to contend with death. You know, religious people are the best people when you lose someone because they come with the best ideas. And somehow they're happy. It's like, he's in a better place. Those things will help you cope. Because remember, as a human being, there is just things about you that you won't understand. It's like driving a car. You know how much you don't know about cars when it breaks down and you open the bonnet and you look inside. Now, you as a human being are more complex than a car. So there's just things that you won't understand, but there is real value in adopting certain systems. That's why I always advise someone that you need to believe in something bigger than the present moment. So I'm still giving you the metrics to overcome the fear of death. 1, you need to understand that you're not in control. 2, you need a belief that is beyond life. You need to believe that there is something greater than this existence, that my body is not me. that the body dies. Truly, the body dies. But there is the you that is deeper than the body. Why I say that is because when your body does something, you never say that it is. I'll give you an example. If I lose my hand, I am still full in my mind. That means my mind exists outside of my body. You see, and understanding that deeply makes me believe that I have a soul. The soul that is the true I that exists. And because I have a soul that exists outside the body, and I believe that the soul cannot be killed, then I cannot die. It is only the body that needs to pass through the natural orders of life. That is so beautiful to understand, Luguti. It is only the body that dies. The body will die because it is built off the material that needs to die for it to grow again, for it to become something of use again. But the soul is not built of earthly material. And once you really catch that even if I were to be blown into pieces or poked to death, the body will shut down. But my soul, my spirit can live on. And then the last question is, where will your soul be? Because truly it's not the body that we fear. It's what happens after I die. Because no one can remind you what happened before you were born. All you know is that you exist and that you couldn't exist from chance. That means there's something that created you. Because something created you, there's a creator. Because he created a body and a soul and a spirit, that means there's a place my soul can go. And then that will lead you into finding something deeper to believe in. For me personally, it's Christ. Because I feel it is necessary to have a story deeper than the metaphysical reality that we know. So invite Esuguti. Try Christ and see if you're still afraid of death. Like really try him deeply, not no. Really sit and look for him.
Jack, you sang, we have one young recruiter, manje.
Uthi zama aka-recruit
Ngangi-recruit, Jack.
no akasho ukuthi woza la kujena uthi try Christ
Indaba
and
kasho
you'll
ukuthi-
see if you be afraid of death.
indaba kasho ukuthi angizami
Akasho
Ngoba
ukuthi
bamkhulu.
esontweni asho ukuthi esontweni
hayi uzumzamaphi kanti
You
Already,
don't have to
okay,
go to church.
okay, wait, check. I think before ngisibanga nje. Angishongo ukuthi angikholwa mina.
ucheck akasho
Ngithe angisaba ukufa.
akasho ukuthi naye awukholwa
Hey,
uthi
yazi-
umjakadula
Yazi-
zama uChrist ukuze ubone ukuthi uzazi ukusaba yebo.
Cha, angishongo ukuthi mina ngithe ngisaba ukufa, angishongo ukuthi angikholwa.
Akashongo ukuthi awukholwa
Okay, methi angizama uChrist, ngizama imuphi ngiyakholwa vele wena.
That's a good question. You see, let me just get directly there. You know that Ace, a lot
Hayi
of
uzogcina
Christians.
ngipressure check asidlule kwenye indawo.
I was after to relax out.
So
It's simple.
Ayikho
nje.
into
Asiye esontweni.
ebuhlungu.
Usaba ngakusaba ukufa. Usaba.
Nesontweni.
Dinga wena kumjakadula
Usabani.
Ngithole ilanga.
Usabani. Ace.
No.
Usabani.
Awufuna kusho lokho?
udinga umoya wakhe hayi nikeza ujekha umoya
Ace,
asindise u-ace
Mina
Yeah.
angisabi uprice ufuna ukuthi la.
Ace. Lane. Ace. And today,
Yeah.
I say maybe 50% of Christians don't know Christ. Ngikutshele mina. That's what I'm saying.
Awufu into
No,
Ace usaba.
Asiqhubekeni.
No, but,
Ace, you know that this is
Ungisothisa ngenkani.
Lalela angikusontisi. Lalela la Ace, ne? You know the reality is Ace.
Bafethu besikhuluma ngo
Ace.
new year new me.
Ace,
Yes.
Ace.
Let's get ku new year new me please.
Ace.
Yeah, Jack.
Lalela, ne?
Yeah.
Think about this for a moment, ne?
Yeah.
As you were saying, life is unpredictable.
Yeah.
Maybe this is your moment, Uguti,
For what?
for you to understand, Uguti, why death exists and how
No,
to.
understand, Jack.
Why does death exist?
I don't know, ingakho ngafundisa esontweni nje awukhubele.
Hayi, awukahle wena.
La isikhune sisodwa phela manje lapha.
nah man nah
But it's fine if it's not.
Yeah, understand. We can have a conversation another day, another time. But you
What
still
if this is your last time?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Abjad. Uzawuphila amahashu.
I mean, ngisakhona.
Uzazophila uyindaba.
Nine-formula.
Wamphonga hayi. Uyamkondema.
Nanokuthi phela it's easy for us to speak like this, but we believe in different things, yabo.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm trying to avoid this.
Yeah, no,
manje izogcina ngathi
Respectfully, dog.
Yeah.
It's understandable. Shout out to the children. This was happening. Masamachiteni vuta kanje sebeza religion manje batshelani inombo le ingake. But anyway, this is 2026, man, and I remember when we were closing. I think the last episode that we did, some of us did shared about setting up goals and what wena ulunga ukuthi ngiyakuhlasela namchief what wena for sure mhlambe this year uzoqala set up ama goals and stuff like that. How far are you with that?
setting goals.
Yeah,
It's too early phases. Still the first steps.
sure.
Yeah, but I have goals. I have things
And
on.
one Chichima today,
Yeah, like that.
Shout out to you,
Yeah. Appreciate very much.
Siyajabula ukuqala mfethu sibona uqalile.
Yeah, I did 10K. Yeah, 10Ks. I haven't
Shout
ran
10K?
from high school. Since high school, angazi ngakigijima. So yeah, ngishawa 10Ks. Sadlala ibhola at the time, yabo. But akhona sasingashawa 10K. So I think sasishaya less than that, yabo.
How was the route shooting?
Hey, so ngigijimile. Angeke ngithi ngifeyile because awukwazi ukufeyila ungakazi into uyenza okokuqala yabo. So angeke ngithi ngifeyile because ngifike ngagijima ipace ibi grand samba nonkanyisa yabo. Njalo ngicathulise ngibona ukuthi ngangishiya umithanda. There was no pressure. It was a new trial yabo une stamina. Yeah. Then I think sesamba because it rotates bihamba ngaseMasgrave. So it was a bit steep yabo. And then angazi kanjani ngitshele nathi ngizwa kuphenduka isizo. So out of the blue ngiyovela phendula isizo.
Yeah,
Kale ngathi ukuzwe
Manje SOP.
ukuze mophuza amanzi. Ukuze mophuzile amanzi segcwele isizo ngathi
Bese
wathi amanzi.
ugcine beshayile kunjani. Iyona ke lebesephenduka.
So kube lo ngathi gcola amanzi eswini. Initially gcola ngathi gcola amanzi eswini and then so bengathi indawo ya step kancane yabo so sihamba nonkanyisa not because my legs were weak or nankanyisa bekuyisiso yabo so ngabona ukuthi siyangidemand ukuthi angislow it down yabo ngamtshela nonkanyisa say first it's fine we are race yabo so qhubeka also I think sanginyakazisa nje for like 2 minutes then ngaqhubeka ngawalk and then ngaqhubeka ngagijima I think ngishaya half hour so step obviously ngisaqala. And then after ngiphinda ngaphumula. Yeah, I did it less than an hour. I don't know if it means something, but
It means a lot, man. I mean, you did it. That's what is important.
For 2 hours, 5
Yeah, you did
hours,
it. Did it. Shout out to you, man.
Kubalulekile.
I hope you want to be consistent.
yeah, but I also have like
Because
other,
to Shurex, this is what we need to understand. Khona abantu abazoqala izinto brenyaka. And kuzoba nenkinga ezincane ezifana nazo leso sisu kubona. Ezomele bazi-overcome. Qhubeke neplan ukuthi buzuqalile iplan. Ayiqhubeke mfethu.
Yeah.
Ungashawa isetback encane wena manje usuya relax
Yeah.
lo nyaka sikule mpahla okungahlehli uhlehla mase ubona ukuthi hayi sijumpile
Uyohlehla phethu yolanda amandla. Sibuye phethu hayi.
njoba nami ngihlehlile nje ukayise wangishiya phansi. Ngiqedile yabo.
Uzithatha manje.
Yeah, bengisadonsa imali. Phela yabo angifile weak ngaleso sikhathi. Noma ngisho not because inyawo besavuma but maybe something ongekwazi uyicontrol and it went uncomfortable. Yeah. And then with goals because I also like had a conversation with my friends. I was like, Jens, you can't complain phakathi nonyaka mase ufuna ukuqala something. I remember there's a time we sasixoxa nani like we podcast ngithi mina I want to do something but end of October, early November. So I don't think content ngayaqala around that time because even if ngiyaqala abaningi bayavala December. So I just have to leave November not December and then maybe I can start saying content ngifuna uyiqala. So this is a perfect time because nama goals enginawo wonke umuntu uyaqala. Yabo? Ngisho athiwa last year ubuvale kahle but bebephumulile bonke abantu. This is the only time where everyone is saying it's a beginning of everything unyaka inyanga insuku everything ababuyela emsebenzini baqala manje yabo. So it feels right now then ukuthi ngicomplain go June ngithi I'm having a bad year kodwa ngaze ngiqale lutho yabo. So ngizokwazi ukuyimagine manje ukuthi by June into yami kuphi yabo, because at least ngiqalile yabo. So and also angikwazi ukupreach abantu every time ngithi mfethu ngifuna ukwenza something ngithi mfethu into ebalekile ukuqala but mina ngikwazi ukuqala yabo. So it's that. So nami ngifuna lo mfethu by that time I have short term and I have like long term, but not 10-year plan. I don't have a 10-year plan.
No, shout out to you, man.
Hayi mancane Shepard, mfethu understand. Mina my year goal was to share 10K. You know why shine namhlanje?
Awujeka ushaya ngani-10K kuthatha upause kitchen.
Hayi ufuna ukushaya igoli yakho ukushaya.
Show 10K. So manje ngifake pressure mfethu ushaye kanjani day one?
Mina ngubona omncane cabanga.
Lapho ngishaya 3.3 into 40 minutes.
Also, okay, maybe mhlawumbe because mina vele growing up
Yeah,
bengidlala ibhola nazokho. So yabo le lento yokubekezela is idlo.
Tele maths.
Brian Uyas
Business
Yeah.
check. Neyincwadi.
So more we if we are born an athlete, you always be one, yabo. So even you should dlala indoor 5 minutes indoor noma igame yebhola 90 minutes 5 minutes in uzwa kuvaleka la.
Baba two.
But uthi uyabuka abantu odlala nabo ukwazi ukuphuma, uthi yabuka abantu abadlala nabo bayadlala. You have to tell yourself uthi mfethu everything else is fine but siyadlala manje yabo. There's a time when ngisadlala ibhola mina serious uthi siyashawa egroundini avela to coach wethu athi mfethu njengamanje asina choice kufanele siyodlala egroundini. Ukhathele uyaziza uthi ayingikhathele uyafuna ukukhohlwa ukuthi umzimba wakho uthini, enjoy igame yabo. So it's that yabona lapho sengehla hayi ngazi ukuthi yabo manje
Sidalela.
angemi indawo ngithe ngizoqala endlini ngizoyiqeda endlini yabo. So there's no two ways about it. So I think naleyo mentality from ukudlala sports liyakwakha yabo, because ebholeni mfana khona la kushuba khona uze ukuthi isishubile ke manje khona i-out ekumele iloku ikhuphe into yangempela but funeka uyicishe or nawe funeka le out icishile funeka uyikhuphe yabo. Uyitshela ukuthi hayi nami phela mfethu ngwangcobo ngedwa yabo. Nawe wakini nami wasekhaya nawe umgaqo mfethu wakho government kodwa nami yabo. Yeah, so iloko check mfethu hayi but
I know mina mfethu ngizoyibamba 10K. I'm not changing my goals. 10K 2 months. I know 2 months. I know 10K. Maybe we can push for 15 this year.
Uzoshaya nankanyisa.
How?
Oh, you're right. Comrade.
But umuntu omuka le episode ngangiusidudla bafethu. Ngikhumbula ngisahlula Jackie. Kukhona la ngangizizwa khona niphume la endlini ekseni ngifile ngithi ngizogijima mfethu ngijike ku 1 kilometer 30 something. Engibona ukuthi ayingeka kuvuma mfana. And every day yabo le mpahla ngisena ama screenshots lapha into ngangi planned ngayo ngangitshela ukuthi mfethu uzama mfethu yabo. Mfethu ngiphume ngibuyene excuse different. Ngikhathele noma kubhlungu inyawo noma isisu noma ikhanda mfethu for 2 weeks ngine screenshots wonke athi 1 kilometer something 1 kilometer something angiyuclock u2 emva lapho ngathatha ibreak esikhathi eside kabi angazi ngabuya sengibuya namajita yabo then asibambe namajita ke noma kethi yabo kancane then ngayiprivate ngedwa because lempahla lokugijima ngathi ungayiprivate kodwa manje uma usuyiprivateile ungayigoqi ngoba angisayigoqile ayijumpa khona. Hayi ingako abantu abaningi bengabi nama results ejimini ngoba ejimini ufike uqukule lezi insimbi lezi ezikwenza ubukeke ebantwini ngathi and then kodwa kuwena zwenza umehluko omkhulu bese ushaya ama snap usipostele ku Instagram ezifenze lathini kanti ukuya kwakho ejimini simele sikubone emzimbeni hayi ngama story yabo. Ekugijimeni ki-ghost ukuthi sikubona nje page. Yeah no. ekugijimeni igosi sokubona ngokukhuphuka kwepace yakho ukuthi ingqondo yakho le uyakwazi ukuyicontrol and udisciplined kangakanani because as the more siya kunabantu abajoina ama running club umuntu agijima unyaka wonke usagijima emuva namanje unyaka usuphilile lo muntu uyayigoqa uphika nabantu and awukwazi kuyenza lampahla mfethu
anongibeke ngisho
bathi yena nokuthi nami ke mfethu mina ngihlezi ngikhalela ukuba ngcono kwinto engiyenzayo ngeke ngithande nje ngigijima kunamadoda nangishiyayo ngeke ungafa fi yabo lezi ngigijima nazo sigijima phambili sonke and siyazi ukuthi makungaqaqwa la singaqaqwa kodwa manje at least uyibambe nabo ubambe ipace maintain idiscipline yabo sengikuleyo manje noma ngingagijima emuva mangithanda ukundlula nonke la ngingayishubisi kodwa ngiyazi vele phela khona izinto obasted abangihlulayo malume bale game yabo nabo engithi mangigijima eduze kwabo ngizwe ukuthi ngathi ngiyinje kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ngangishiye kuse
let's say ngithe nje imithando ungishiye bengangishiya hayi
yazi inkanyisa ungakholwa uhlulwe umuntu wesifazane bese kugijimeni strong ungakholwa
but
Leon Duboy uzofa.
what I learned about ukigijima is it's here.
No, but grannies will pass you.
Yes, usho kahle wena uthi umuntu wesifazane ugogo
ahambe uyogijima
engagijimi ewoka akushiye
wena ugijime bese uyama
ugijima wena
Duye, ubona igeko
Eshayiwoka.
emara.
ewoka yabo le eshayiwoka nje serious
abuze thelisa le kabo green
ashaya
hayi kubabuke la promino yabo if awubaboni la promino uhambe eDurban North bese uhamba emhlangu kanye bese uhamba uye eHillcrest that's where this culture kuba active
Hey,
ikhona
njanje dinga discipline. Ngibone kahle. Bengithe mina kulula I think discipline.
alampahla mnandi
but futhi nakhona lento uma uqala futhi sengathi ungathi ukhohlwa kancane into eziningi nabantu 5k or 10k awumenga udile nokuthi ake ngihambe ngizwe ukuthi ngizohambe ngifike
pheleliphi
angithetha my city cut ucut lo mawuthi walk ubuye mfethu walk ubuye angithi yabo leyo phinda uqale futhi the next day angithi yabo do the same thing kancane from le run yakho iloku ikhuphuka ithi next thing usuyaye ufike la ukukhathale khona ukwazi ukugijima ubuyele emuva angithi yabo leyo iqala kanjalo uyibuild lento ucontrol mawabamba leyo control indlela yokubreathe elesikhathi uyena mfethu endapo uhamba into
Yazi ngibuze advice la hey.
Shama side pay.
Bese ngiyaqala nje ngithi 1 2 ngishaya iband side pain. Sengiyayibamba ke manje.
kuleka Jackie kusazoba buhlungu izinto eziningi kakhulu uzibuza ukuthi hayi ngeke kumele ngiyeke manje kanje ngathi akusekho nomali kusazoba buhlungu vele kube buhlungu ama-shin split mfethu into vele ungayi-understand ukuthi into ongayi-understand ukuthi ipheni eqhamukayo
No, lapho ke lapho I think yonke into because nebhola yazi uma udlala ibhola uma uqala ukushisa kuba buhlungu la. Kuba la kuyancinza. Mathi kuba ngathi uyadiliwa kodwa lo ungathi ustiff kubuhlungu.
Hayi ukuthi ngigijime kakhulu ngiyaqala nje.
Hayi kuyakhona la. Mina what was unnatural
it's the first 1 to 2 kilometers once you conquer the first 1 to 2 kilometers because nami izolo bengigijima first 1 kilometer bese ngishawa amahlabi ibhobo second kilometer bese ngishawa isisu ngitsawo namanga ngiqeda ngo10k kuqedile
Oh, so that's also what I realize ukuthi it's very common lento esis because ngithe mengikhuluma namanye outside magijima yabo ngibaxoxele abanye ade bengifonela bengitext abanye ngithi esathi ugijima oh congratulations yabo ngiyabatshela ngithi hey isisu into esingenzele yona bathi hayi no nonkanyuso sesihamba lapha ngitshela ukuthi hey yabo isisama ngisasizwahlwa bathi hayi that's running 101 yabo so it means it's introduction to so I'm young welcome lento ukuthi mfethu yabo nama outside amade ngikhuluma na outdash uthi mfethu lonto ungayinaki sisazonginyakazisa mhlambe because ngesikhathi ugijima naso siyanyakaza yabo so lezi zinto engekho right eswini ziyaxukuzeka and ngithe ngifika ngempela endlini hayi ngaya straight
Angisayenzi lo 10k ngathi ngiyayeka ke leyo goal ngiqhubeka ngokwenza imali.
but I think kumnandi bese si promote lento healthy living but
I know it's too much. I'm eating salads of it. Hey, mina.
awu wena wapost isalad emini ebusuku wangena eKFC uJakuthi udla amasalad uthi I guess we will try the following day
Day 1 mabetha.
I guess we'll try the following check it ungazosidakela wena. Ngiyasho ngaphakathi nje wena. Ungayenzi. Udla salad, upost salad. Mase upost use-KFC futhi ungazosibhedela wena. Qala
Honest, I started again, man.
Be honest with yourself. Once you've made the decision, you've made the decision.
Hayi kusasa ngiyoshawa 10k.
Eshawu 10K.
Bazongibona kusasa, bazongibona ngizoyiposta futhi.
Ngikhumbula fethu umfundisi wami sasifastile uJanuary kithi at the standards and it's a show 21 enkonje izofelele nompholo. Asifastile fethu esibuye uthandaza lapha yabo. Sahlala ama-out kwindawo kuthiwa 50 mention lapha e-morning side. Sivele sidlule lo KFC lapha nabo. Nathi bese nama-outside sithi 4-5. Bangithe siyothandaza sosiright man. Masithi hawu lo muntu kade lead prayer nangu.
Crazy.
Sesibuka la kanje hey malusa mlakawe.
Ugitha usakushayile.
Awuphela kade silida lo.
Truth is right. It's so trendy.
Hayi nathi sibambe fethu.
Imasheka kakhulu wena.
Hey teacher safe.
I but it's true that this when someone kwami naye benjalo yo. Declare fast esontweni. Wendlini uyadla yena sabuka hawo. And thina siyafasta ke uthi uzabuka nathi hey ngiyafasta esontweni.
New me, baba. New me.
Bathi ayidlule ufuna ukuzwa bafethu ukuthi bayihleleleni onyakeni.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Awungeni Thedi.
Oh, hey.
Goals for the year.
Abazange amakhulu siyasebenza. Siyasebenza sikhanda inyuku siyaphila. Siba grand silungisa amakhaya makusakhona izinto ezifuna ukulungisa silungisa impilo zethu. Yeah, mfethu. Sibilele nje ipurpose bafethu because ikusasa silazi. Kahle kahle. Angithi yabo? And njengoba teyadeshile na ele nje bafethu ukuthi izama ukuthi senze kahle usuku nosuku yabo kuwena nabantu around wena abantu ohlangana nabo phela nje mfethu akukho ukuthenini mfethu ngikubeka yeah Shepherd
Mina fethu simple yami dise ade ngimashela nje ngila phela.
Kana sathi ikhuluma.
Alokhu uthi ngila. Saving myself, stacking my shit.
Showcase.
I'll go win.
Jaja.
usiva kuyinto
Anything, chief. Malusi comes first. Priority lapha phezulu malusi more than anything. Noma kuthiwa kuyasha. Abasha bashaya, abafa but ngisave man. Ngilapho chief. Yeah. Ngizama nje ukuba selfish. Ngiyaqala ngincane empilweni yami ukuthi ngibe selfish. Never done it.
Yazi ngikhumbuza
Masha na.
khumbuza le video yakhe ethi
shintsheni man
ngimasizile.
why shintsheni Shapir
I think
Change
I think it's growth, dog. For me, I think it's cool. I think it's about time. I've prioritized abantu kakhulu for the longest time. Ngi neglect. I mean, you know, amagama amasho ngumalusi ngu-witness, chief. So somehow, sometimes, not sometimes, most of the time, ngiyalandela amagama. So I've always put other people, you know, in anything, chief. So and then I had to realize to know. I started last year actually. We practiced a little bit. At first, it was painful. Yeah, God. And then later, I reach out to Montano. It's fine. But now I'm actually manager chief. It feels good to say no, you know, and that's why I even told myself, I'm like, as from now on, oh yes, but my bang perfect. Oh no, also I need man. You know, to a lot of things, even to myself too, you know, not only Akuban to Nam, you know, the way I do things, and also the kind of the goals and from what I achieve this year, you know. So locals no challenge. I also want that chief. Yeah, known to so many things, you know, to procrastination, you know, and just cycling for things, chief. Yeah, well, sometimes we get to the point where we get comfortable, with the bare minimum, just because ngisakwazi ukuyithola le mali, ngiyakwazi ukuthenga this and that and that, and then it's like, that's it. No, there's more, because the minute you accept, ngiyibonile le nombolo, the past 2 years, I've accepted, just to go by, and then I realized that, chief, kade saphuma kula masembe manje sibuyele, ukuthi nje you just normalize ukuthi this is, so I just started last year, chief, to start and to say, no, bro, pull up your socks now, let's go back, to how we used to do things, even though now things are different, the world has changed, even now I'm sengikhulile, yabo, kunezinto manje sengizazi bengazazi, back then, so now I need to approach it differently. So nje mfethu this year mina mfethu ngila akukho kunye chief.
Danke. Chat. Danke machiteni.
You know that thing.
Kade uqhubeka ne-10-year plan yakhe.
Yeah, but see, I was about to say, that thing when they waqala ukwenza ama-goals, nama-goals amaningi, kunama-categories, nama-systems. And then manje kumele nami ngisho, yeah, okay, I'm gonna just do part of it. One of the goals this year is to be a better husband. To be a better father as well. I think I fell into that trap of work hard, make money, work hard, make money, work hard. And I really didn't pay attention to my sleep. So this year the goal is to sleep 8 hours every day. Yesterday was the only day I did 7 hours, but I want to be consistent this year to do 8 hours. I want to travel at least, not for work, because I used to travel a lot for work, but I want to do more family trips, at least maybe once a month or twice a month. I'll see. That's a big one for me. I want to really be intentional about traveling with family, because I've learned that I've been to so many places, but when you go with family, it hits different. Like you get to share the moments with your wife, your kid, and I'm very intentional about letting my kid experience a lot at a young age. So I think that's big for me, one of the major goals. And then another goal is just to optimize on the systems that brought me to the level that I am, because I stopped doing that completely. I stopped building better systems, and I got very comfortable because the system that I built 3 years ago was making me live the top 1% life. So I didn't really think beyond that, like, oh, I need to make more money or I need to improve beyond the system that I've already adopted. So I think that's a major goal for me this year, that let me build more systems. And then the last goal is I want to give back more. Like I always do my giveaways where I try to give things here and there, but I want to give also the systems that I use. Like just share it with people. It's okay, this is how I actually do my finance. Okay, this is how I actually moved from making 100K to 200K to 300K. Like this is what I did. And it's not so that people can just copy it and try to do the same things that I did, but it's for them to see my thought process on how intentional I was, like how I really paid attention to every expense I had. And God honors you when you're faithful with the little. Once you become a master of your bank account, a master of your income, somehow it's like magic. Something just begins to happen where 10K becomes like 100 Rand, 20K becomes like 200. And once you pass that phase, like you can live, I don't know, you can just start moving. So the goal for this year is follow me on Instagram, because I will share a lot of it. Not going to shout out like that.
I can get
But-
so much.
Yeah, but Jack Halala, the full name, Jack_Halala. Don't fall for my scams. There's about 20 to 30 accounts. Same name, same profile. So I'll never tell you to invest in anything. I'll never ask you for your money. I will never message you. So just know that you're not talking to me. Please be careful. A lot of people have got scammed when people using my name. So just be cautious of that. But I'm going to share those systems. I'm going to share more ideas. I'm going to try to be more transparent, because I really will, like, my goal is that if someone can become a millionaire through the ideas that I share or through the systems that have helped me, it would be of utmost satisfaction for me. Like, it would really make my year or my day or that season or that century of my life. So yeah, that's for me another big goal. And then on the health side, I really want to do the 10K run, maybe 20K. And when I'm saying 10K run, it's not just to complete 10K. I want to compete at a 10K run. I want to go and compete and at least be in the top 20 or the top 30. Like, I think I'm very similar to Unkanyiso, where I really like to win. Like, you might think you know me, but you don't know me. I will beat you without mercy. So I want to take that that mindset as well into running and see what I can do with it. Yeah, danko.
Thank you, Mjakati.
Shout out to Machiteni, Mashile, Mashile, Sesiyayivala. Ngathi usekhona?
Angikhona.
Okay. We're gonna close, man, and we had Snake guest la ezivashe. My le guest le ithe izobona yabo. So my so bizobona.
Cela ungambizi, cela umhloniphise ngoba lo muntu
Oh,
le
udote.
guest ethi ihloniphe
Oh,
wakho.
udote.
So wena uma uzothi le guest la ngathi lezi ingabulana, ungazolinga ukhulume kanjani. Hloniphisa ngoba lo muntu usenyathele imihlaba eserious kabi. Kuwumusa nje ukuthi sibe sendlini efana nje. Ungalinge nje uyenze ngaze sithi encane. Presence yakhe iyodwa.
Uzohlawula
Priceless.
kabili.
Uzohlawula.
No, angiyaxolisa nje.
Nazo.
Yobe. So I know vele ningajabula ukumbona for sure. And that I know. But this guy asenaso na besimkhayila ukuthi abe khona la eMachiteni, you know.
Uzoba khona.
Besimdinga.
Uthi akekho ready.
Yeah, uthi uzafuna ukuprepare.
Ukuthi uprepare ngi-podcast asasa. Shuthi kuze niphathele izinto eziserious.
Manje besicela ukuthi simnike mic la wesimuzi ukuthi uthini wasiyavala ma.
Ngiyamncisha uthi exclusivity. Funeka afike exclusive.
Hayi manje uzothi nje mfana uthi fana laba siyavala.
Nafike
No, yes, angithi ufuna ukuprepare.
So ya prepare
One manje sifuna nje I introduce as
uyayithatha nje masimkhulumisa.
yeah.
kaza nje a little bit uthuba wenzani for sure, then bazofuna ukumbona kule khaya.
Shuthi ngiyasa
Mhlawumbe
introduce.
ngenzeka lokho kusasa
No,
kule khaya.
sizolika email address yakhe so that bezomtshela ukuthi hey siyakudinga ukuthi ubuye. Ngoba baboyithina ngeke asize.
Oh wow. Okay, fine. Manbulise, I'm Ntabiseng Muliko. Kuthiwa Manbulise, and I must greet and just introduce myself. So I think in introducing myself, I'd say that I'm burdened with economic liberation of Black people. That's really my heart's cry. And also, I think one of the things that's for me cemented in my heart, we like to separate it from the liberation of our families. But I believe that the economic liberation of Black people is strongly intertwined to our families being rebuilt. So if you look at the country and the state of affairs in the country right now, a lot of the problems stem from fatherlessness. They stem from broken families. They stem from the lack of structure in particularly Black households. They stem from the boy child being abandoned emotionally, particularly emotionally. And that has disastrous effects socially, mentally, even on their own emotional stability as adults. A lot of them are emotionally stunted. So you can be 50, but you're 10. Emotionally, you can be, now you give that person economic power. A 10-year-old, 50-year-old, or 40-year-old man, that is a disaster. You give that person power economically, they are very destructive with that economic power. In fact, what you find is that the economic power that they have, they use it to sabotage the society. So we talk about economic liberation. We talk about empowerment. Everyone here probably wants to succeed economically. I think, but there's a missing gap where we need to ask ourselves: are we emotionally, psychologically developed to do well with this economic power that we are given? How will you use this economic power? But I think for me, that's a deeper question that is something that I think we neglect. But that's my introduction, is that I believe that I'm an economist, by the way. I'm an economist who teaches economics in a university that's mainly Afrikaans dominated, Stellenbosch. I teach statistics and economics. I love numbers. I love development finance. I have a doctorate in development finance. I studied it because I wanted to understand how we can use our capital markets and the economy to develop African nations in particular, but also South Africa, because we have this conundrum of SMMEs not being financed. We have this conundrum of Black people not taking part in the economy actively, and Black people not actively industrializing the economy. And so the question I always ponder is, what must we therefore do, and what are the solutions? And so my whole mindset is more at a macro level, at an aggregate level, but also at a very personal level as to what am I doing in response to some of these problems. So I think at a personal level, I'm just a child who loves Africa, who loves South Africa. I love my family, and I want to make an impact. So I think specifically in those areas. So I see myself as an instrument of love in my family, and then the second one, and around the people that I'm close to, so that we can rebuild, reconstruct, and help our people to heal. But I think the second aspect is we must deal with this issue strongly of economic liberation. We've been sold a lie. This democracy and freedom, that means we have poverty. We've been sold a lie. So we need to unpack that. And I think every discussion, every podcast need to look at what is economic liberation? What therefore must we do for us to be economically liberated? Are we doing and having the right discussions? Are we equipping ourselves in our own goals to have economic liberation? But once you reach this economic liberation, are you going to be destructive to society? Once you're empowered with this money and finance, are you going to use it, to finance destruction of women and girl children and your own family? Is society going to benefit from your economic liberation, or is it going to be destroyed? Are we going to be better off if you're a millionaire tomorrow? Who's going to be better off? Is it the bottle store, or is it going to be society better off as a result? So these are the questions I ponder, and part of my goals and part of the things that I do are always around this. I think it's my life's calling. So I think that those are enough. And Ganyisa, I hope.
No, that's not
Shepherd.
enough. I think there's more. We need more.
No, ngasi
Hawu mfethu.
le episode sesoyishisa nawe Friday izomnandi kakhulu.
Animeni, thulani. Mina ngicela ukuseva lento le, sivale yonke lento esiqeda la. Sithathe ni break record.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Thathe ni break.
Ngiyadefine.
Thathe ni recess. Manifuna ukudla sithengeni ukudla. Ngiqale phansi. Ani charge nama camera iphelile le. Le bese yedala.
Mina khona